Got my baby. Look at the bag, y'all. She tying my other one. One came off.
I got this from my friend on Facebook.
Go ahead. Go ahead. I thought somebody jumping off the porch. Wait, I don't know if all three of y'all can stand on there at once, though, no more. That one weak. Yeah, it'd be better one at a time, y'all. All right, dog off the porch. Volume 1.
Where's Bimbo? Oh. He's like, no! Ma! He's like, Ma, no!
Hold on, Cool J turn.
I can't front flip off this.
Yes, you could.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
You got it, Jay. Hey! Mel turn, or whoever. Dog off the porch, volume 1. Human off the porch, volume 2. TJ, be careful. We can't go to the hospital. The ambulance can't come up the street.
The National Guard should come over here.
He almost messed up, though. Trying to be so scary. Hey, I'm about to walk to 7-Eleven.
Sure you
are. My
are.
numbers, I'm not buying nothing, so.
Let me get the phone out of the seat.
Probably would have got washed with. Got stuck to it.
Oh, Addie's in Jason's house with Jason's little cousin. I gotta get more money.
No! No! Bear! Bear! Wait. Get over here. It's a blizzard. No, no, no! No! No, Bimbo. Think they had enough?
The dog?
No, I said. No. Go back. Go back.